Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sonia Technologies. Today I am going to discuss a while loop in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 15, switch statement in C. Please go through previous video before going to this video. Now we are going to discuss while loop. While loop comes under loop control statements. While loop comes under loop control statements. The syntax of while loop is, here first line is assignment, later while, here we have condition. If condition is true, we need to execute these statements. Later we need to increment or decrement. We will discuss while loop using VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. First step is read input from command prompt, printf, enter input number, declare input variable int input, scanf %d, comma, address of input. We need to invoke find even number, find even, and pass input. Now we need to invoke find even function. We need to implement even function, void find even, and here declare input variable int input. Here we will find given number is even number or not using while loop. Declare variable int I equal to 1 while, remove this comment, I less than or equal to input. We need to check given number is even or not. If I modulus 2 equal to 0, printf %d is even number /n. Later we need to increment I variable I plus plus. Here we have three things. This is assignment, this is condition checking, here increment or decrement. We will execute this code, control F5, enter input number 10, enter. We are getting some garbage values. We need to see what is the error. Here we need to pass I variable, comma I, control F5, enter input number 10. We are getting output as 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number, 10 is even number. Now we'll check how the program is executing. Put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging, F11, read input, here 10, enter, find even of 10. Here input is called 10. First we are assigning I is equal to 1, later I is equal to 1, input is equal to 10, 1 less than or equal to 10, true. We will select this part, right click, here evaluate in debug console, here I less than or equal to input, true. Then it goes to inside while loop, here I is equal to 1, 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, false, that means 1 is not even number. Now I is equal to 1, it will increment one value, now I is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 10, true. Here 2 modulus 2 equal to 0, true, 2 is even number. Here it's printing like 2 is even number. Now I is equal to 3, 3 less than or equal to 10, true. Then 3 modulus 2 equal to 0, false. It exits from if I increment of 1, I is equal to 4. It will continue. Here I is equal to 11, 11 less than or equal to 10, false. It exits from while loop. And here we have output like 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number, 10 is even number. Now we will see what happens if you forget increment. Comment this code, go to run, click on start debugging, F11, here input number 3, enter, find even of 3, your input is called 3, Letter I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. True. Here select this part. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. I less than or equal to input. True. It goes to inside. Here 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. False. Later here I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 3. True. Here it will checking all the time. I is not incrementing. I is 1. So this loop will execute infinite times. So this loop is not exit. We'll execute this program. Control F5. Here 3. Enter. This loop is executing infinite times. So we should provide increment or decrement. Here we'll put. Here I'll remove this condition and provide something like 1. If you provide any number other than 0, then that condition is true. Here I'll debug this code. Go to run, start debugging. F11, input number 3, enter. Here find even of 3, int I is equal to 1. Here while of 1, that means true. Then 1 modulus 2 equal to 0. It will continue. This loop will execute infinite times. Now we will check decrement operator. Here int I is equal to 10. Here I greater than or equal to input. Here I minus minus. Now debug this program. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here input number 5. Enter. F11. Here input 5. Int I is equal to 10. 10 greater than or equal to 5. True. Then 10 modulus 2 equal to 0. True. That means 10 is even number. Print. Here I is equal to 10. Here I decrement 1. That means I is equal to 9. 9 greater than or equal to 5. True. 9 modulus 2 equal to 0. False. Then I decrement 1. I is equal to 8. 8 greater than or equal to 5. It will continue. Now I is equal to 6. 6 greater than or equal to 5. 6 modulus 2 equal to 0. That is even number. I is equal to 5. 5 greater than or equal to 5. True. Then 5 modulus 2 equal to 0. False. I decrement 1. That means I is equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to 5. False. It exits from while loop. And here we are getting output like 10 is even number, 8 is even number, 6 is even number. What we discuss in this program is the syntax of while loop and while loop with increment, while loop with decrement, third while loop without increment or decrement, fourth while loop with integer. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.